Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Easy Way, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. Great to see you again.
Today, we're talking about something we all experience every single day: the weather.
Ah, yes, the weather. Sometimes beautiful, sometimes terrible.
That's true. The weather can really change our mood, can't it?
Oh, yes. A sunny day makes me happy, but a rainy day makes me want to sleep.
Same here. I love sunny mornings. Bright light, warm air, blue sky.
Sunshine and coffee. Perfect combination.
Always coffee with you, Paul.
Of course! Coffee and good weather, my two best friends.
So, what's your least favorite kind of weather?
Cold, windy days. My hair goes crazy and my hands freeze.
Oh no, poor Paul. I actually like cold weather
Really? Why?
because I love wearing sweaters, scarves, and drinking hot chocolate.
I prefer shorts and ice cream, thank you.
So you're a summer person.
Absolutely. I love summer. Long days, warm nights, beach time.
I think I'm a spring person. The weather is soft and flowers are everywhere.
That's true. Spring feels fresh and happy.
And fall, oh, the colours of the trees. Orange, red, yellow. So beautiful.
Yes, but then winter comes and ruins everything.
You really don't like winter, do you?
Nope. Snow looks nice, but walking in it? No, thank you.
Come on, snow is fun. You can make snowmen.
I tried once. My snowman fell over in 5 minutes.
Maybe it was tired.
Maybe.
You know, weather is a great topic for small talk in English.
Yes. People love to talk about weather, especially when they don't know what else to say.
Oh, nice day today.
Yes, a bit windy though,
Exactly. It's the easiest way to start a conversation.
and also the safest. No arguments about weather,
Unless one person loves winter and the other hates it.
like us right now.
Yes, exactly.
So, what kind of weather do you like?
Tell us in the comments below. Are you a summer person like Paul or a winter person like me?
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English Easy Way.
Thank you for listening and learning with us today.
See you next time. Bye for now.